Because my sister went out again.
You shouldn't have that said.
Okay.
My sister accidentally unpaused it.
Her neck, I feel like. It's that and your urinal. Oh, like the boys' bathroom. Hold on. Okay, go.
What the girl's arms? Okay.
At the same time, we were like, the arm. That's creepy. What a long arm.
Yeah. I know.
I don't. What? Maybe it's. What?
Wait. They're all missing legs, bro. Oh, because.
That girl's arm, I feel like. You're so. What happened with that arm? I see.
What the heck?
She has 3 arms.
Oh, no.
Oh. This is how I cheat, and I am proud of it. The eye.
The eye.
Is my competition next week?
Eyebrow
Next
toast.
week? No, not next week, but in the next week.
Oh, I thought that was a phone.
Oh my gosh, I see it. Yep, we got it. What is that on the locker?
Like,
I was like, what is
guys,
that?
what?
I know it's something with her.
Yeah.
Dad needs you outside.
Oh, maybe it's how she has a band-aid on her head. The daughter has beaten by her mom, so...
I know what it is. We both said that.
I think someone needs blood transformation, I think.
Sweet dreams.
Find the transport.
Bro.
I think it's... What? I think it's her, maybe? Where is the button? She's wearing underwear as a mask, I think.
No. Is that that?
Huh?
Oh.
Nice mask.
I wonder if I pointed at a thing.
I can practice. I did 60. Ready? Watch me.
I know.
I just did that because it looked gross. That belly button. Her creepy face.
Or come here.
Maybe her hand. I think it's her hand.
Oh yeah.
Dad got 6 things of cheese.
Dang it.
Wait.
Guys, bruh. She never let... Oh. I think it's her hand. Oh, didn't you do that?
Yeah. I think
Maybe.
her face. Try her face.
Okay, I'll try her face. I also kind of think it. I think she's a boy. I think that's what it is. No, bruh.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, I knew it.
Point there because of her.
I know. I think she's like calling for help. Yeah, I think it's that.
I'm like,
Is that normal for someone who is sleeping?
3 microphones, bro.
More fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. I feel like it's the fingers. Too many microphones. So, bruh, if that no, bruh, that's so easy. If people think that, I think I know. Hey yo, look. I knew.
Everyone out here.
Why? Hold on. Something is
Dad wasn't paying attention.
shouldn't have.
So when he went to check on them, they were all gone after bed.
Something a girl shouldn't have.
Find them.
We gotta go.